Hello guys, welcome back on your technology battlefield. Let's see in this video tutorial how to fix downloading pending problem in Google Play Store. Because see guys here, when I go to download, it's saying that pending here. So in that situation, how can I fix it? Yeah, while you're downloading any apps and application from Google Play Store, and it's not going to download and it's going to track in a pending downloading in any Android or a smartphone device. In this situation, how you will quickly fix it so that it will be able to download, it will quickly start to download and installation in your any Android or a smartphone device. So for it guys, if you're having a downloading pending problem in any smartphones, how you will fix it? First and foremost guys, what do you have to do? Simply just you need to click on your Google Play Store ID and then you need to come in a setting. In setting, firstly we need to address network preference. Here just to see guys, apps, here apps and application download preference, just you need to click here and you have to go on over any networks. Sometimes it's happen on a Wi-Fi or ask me every time. So in that situation you are might be a problem. Yeah, it can create a problem to quick download from Google Play Store, and of course give you a message pending verification, unverified. So in that situation, what you have to just select this one guys over any networks. That once again I will come in a auto update application, I will click here, I will select similar over any networks. In any network of course there should be possibility of download. Now third one, see guys here, this one also selected here, network preference data uses. In that you have to come this one, autoplay video, don't select option this one, but of course apps and preference, this one completed, auto update application completed. That should be 8 anytime on any data. Once again I repeat, over any networks. Now see guys, just simply after board selection, just you need to come in a setting. Now I will click on this setting and now see guys, just I need to write here APP. So in app, just to see guys, this one I need to select here. Now see all the app selected here. Now just I will scroll down here much more. Now just to see, we have to come here in Google Play Service, Google Play Store. In both here, what you have to do, firstly let's come on Google Play Store. I will click here. Now what we have to do guys, just I will scroll. Now see here, open by default setup, just I will come in a storage. In storage I will click here and I will go for clear cache, and just I will clear all the data that has been stored here. Might be bug has been there, then of course that will be also cleared. So now see guys, it has been cleared. Once again I will come back and I will go similar strategy in a Google Play Service. Now see guys here, this is a storage, so just I will click here, more than 556 MB. So manage the space, clear cache, just I will go for now here yes by clicking on there. Now see guys, manage search data, manage. Now see guys, variable storage and clear all the data. So I'm going to clear all the data. Now see guys, once again I will try here if it is not going to. Now it's going to clear. So now finally it has been cleared. Now see guys, now I will come on this Play Store once again. So now see guys, totally clear and it's going to reopen once again. So I hope that it will not take much time to download any application now, and it will not fix and especially it will unfix in pending, yeah, downloading pending, guys. So now see here what I will do. Suppose I would like to download any application now. Just let me open it now. Now see guys, just I would like to have this one. So now see guys, just to give an installation, just I will go. It's saying the cross, so it has been already. Let's see. Now see guys, it has started to download now. Quickly. So now it's installing, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe on this channel. So because this will thing assist me to motivate much more to create more and more video such as knowledge video, guys, on YouTube. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.